Okay, I'll turn on the controller. Controller started. Turn on the quad. Quad is now on. We have 9 satellites. 12, 13, and we now have the green showing that we can take off. So we'll now go to the calibration. We're in the calibration mode. And just rotate it a couple of times. Oops, one more. There we go. And you can see now it's asking for the vertical calibration. So I'll pick it up and I'll just simply rotate it. And I can rotate it as long as I like. I can go slow, I can go fast. It just never completes past the 60% cycle. And we have always that red LED flashing. And calibration never completes. So there you have it. I've got a calibration problem with the compass. So I've contacted Fimi headquarters. They told me to pack it up, send it back to China, the quad, the propellers in the original packaging, and they'll have a look at it and repair it. Now I have to send it off at my expense, which I've done. Not a problem. It got stuck in that COVID-19 problem. So it left in October, got stuck in the COVID-19 thing over in China, and it got sent back to me, never made it to Fimi at all. Now, to Fimi's credit, what they've done, they sent me a replacement unit with battery and propellers. I mean, what can you say about that? I mean, that's wonderful customer service. They care about us people. In fact, I'm so impressed with this, I've actually gone out and purchased the next model up, which is the X8 SE 2020. So hopefully I'll be doing a video on that shortly. The one I've just done on the flight on this, well, if you haven't seen it, have a look at it. It flies brilliantly. Anyway, thanks for watching. All the best. And if you want to catch me on another video, just click the subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon, and you might get to see me fly the 2020. I'll be having the fun, you'll be just watching. All the best till then. Take care.